सतर्क फाउंडेशनान सहतंत्रीक प्रशिक्षण रेजिमेंटा वांगडा एक करियर मार्गदर्शन बसका घडोवन हाडली। सुमार 26 शाळांतले 1000वर विद्यार्थी बसकेक हजर आशिल्ले। विद्यार्थ्यांक सशस्त्र दळांत करियर घडोवपाक उर्बा दिवप हो हे मार्गदर्शन मेळाव्याचो हेत।
At the outset, I extend a very warm welcome to all our esteemed guests from judiciary, teachers, members of the press, and vibrant students of the state of Goa. We as Indian Army feel privileged to welcome perhaps the largest gathering of students who are aspiring to understand and join this elite organization known as the Armed Forces. I know you are all at a cusp of taking a very important decision, a decision that is going to change your future in a big way. As far as your generation goes, you face a more difficult time taking a decision as compared to our generation, largely because of the avenues that are available to you. I know it's not easy to take a decision at the age where you are. Surprisingly, as the minister just brought about, there was a starking gap that I noticed while I was preparing for this address. You see this viewpoint? It's got about 21 states listed. This is the contribution of various states to all the three defense services. And you don't find the name of Goa figuring in this list. I am sure there is no lack in capability, there is no lack in intent. And I am confident and I am very sure that by the time we end this session, we are going to change this, or at least pave a way for changing this. Amongst so many avenues, it is not easy to take a decision. Now, has anybody heard of this term called Ikigai? No? It's from Japan. Yeah, anyone? What is it? Can somebody tell me what this means? It means a reason for being. That means you should know that why are you where you are, and what is it that interests you or propels you the most. So if by the end of this session we are able to ignite a spark in your minds, change your ikigai to join the uniform fraternity, we would have done our job.
Set. See everyone what is happening now. When we are walking or when we are riding, when we are traveling, anything can happen. But if we want to give the contribution towards the nation, the defense is a very important sector where we can join. And that is why this Sarthak Foundation has organized this program at a large scale. I congratulate to you all students because you are almost my entire Rajiv Gandhi Kala Mandir has filled up with so much enthusiasm, so much motivation, and the inspiration which is going to the commanding officer you are going to tell. And that is why we have to gain the knowledge. If we want to going to gain the knowledge, then only it is possible for us to take the decision at the moment. And this is the right time, this is the right age where we can have a potential to take the decision at a right way.